Hello friends, I have reached a beautiful village. The natural beauty of the village impressed me. The plants here are like a unique creation of nature, a divine peace I find now here else but in the village. I see green grass standing in a evergreen grass. I can see the beautiful leaves of the trees. See how cute a squirrel is playing on the jobber tree. This Capability is afraid of me for fear of this. He climbed on a roof on hide from me. What a beautiful scene, my friends. Friends, I see an ornamental plant growing neglected on the side of the village road. I know this plant has some medicinal properties.